Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about basic aspiration. Basic aspiration. Okay. So we will explain basic aspiration with the help of a question. Okay. Now, question is that I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Okay. I want to do research in astronomy. I want to do research. I want to do research in astronomy. Right. Next, I want to serve the society. I want to serve the society. Okay. I want to be a film star. I want to be a film star. Okay. I want to earn a lot of money and fame. I want to earn a lot of money and fame. Okay. So, actually, in the above cases, what is the basic aspiration? Okay. We need to justify our answer. Okay. Once again, our today's topic is basic aspiration. Okay. And with the help of question, we will explain the basic aspiration. Question is that I want to be a doctor. Okay. I want to do research in astronomy. I want to serve the society. I want to be a film star. I want to earn a lot of money and fame. Okay. In the above cases, what is the basic aspiration? Okay. We need to justify our answer. Okay. See, aspirations are the goals, ambitions, or desires. Okay. What? Aspiration are goals, ambitions, and desires that a person often dreams to possess or achieve. Okay, aspirations are future oriented and are driven by conscious and unconscious motivations. They are indicative of an individual or group's commitments towards a particular endpoint. Some aspirations come about a little influence from others, while some others stem from the strong persuasion of other people or situations. Individuals may have short, medium, and long-term aspirations, and this vary in importance with respect to both the individual and the others. Okay, not all aspirations are in the interest of others, and some individuals' aspirations may even provoke harm or offense. While some individuals aspire for a better life, some others might strive for specific transformative social changes. However, the most common aspirations of all human beings are centered around health, family, philanthropy, and personal development. Some common aspirations include making a difference in life, personal happiness, job satisfaction, acquiring status and wealth, etc. So in all the above cases, the basic aspiration is to ultimately lead to a happy life. It leads to a it leads to a happy life. Okay, the aspirations to become a doctor, a film star, to do research in astronomy stem out of interest that the person has in those fields. Success in this would make them feel happy in their lives. Similarly, the aspiration to serve the society means the person derives happiness in doing philanthropy deeds. Okay, earning a lot of money and fame means the person want to lead a happy life with respect and comforts in the society. Okay, so we can say that the basic aspiration underlying all the above aspiration is to attain continuous happiness. Okay, now let's talk about the steps for self exploration. Okay, steps steps for self exploration. Okay, see, firstly, verify the proposal on the basis of your natural acceptance. Okay. Secondly, live according to the proposal to validate it experimentally. Okay. So we have to discuss first natural acceptance. It is the process of seeing and observing everything attentively and then using your inner conscience to get the answer from within. It's a way to bring out the goodness in everything naturally. It helps to learn everything that is good from others and observe it in our own way but without changing our identity. Okay, so first inside it, first it does not change with time. It does not change with time and age. Second point is that it does not depend on place. It does not depend on place. Third thing is that it is always there within us. It is always there within us. Within within us. Okay. It is the same for all of us. It is the same for all of us. Okay, and it does not depend on our beliefs or past condition. Okay, what it does not depend on our beliefs or past condition. Okay, the process of self exploration results in realization and understanding. What if we talk about the process of self exploration results, okay, results in a realization and understanding. Okay, in us. Okay, the process of self exploration results in realization and understanding in us. This realization and understanding leads to the following answers. First, assuring. Okay, second, first assuring. Second, it will be satisfying. Third, it will be universal with respect to time, space, and individual. Universal, universal with respect to time, space, and individual. To time, space, and individual. Okay, so this is all about aspiration and self exploration, right? These were the steps for self exploration. Okay, see, a question may come in examination that what do you mean by aspiration? Okay, and define self exploration. What is the content of self exploration? Okay, so self exploration is the process to find out what is valuable to me by investigating within myself. What is right for me and true for me has to be just within myself. Once again, okay, if self exploration comes in examination, so how to define? We will define in this way that self exploration is the process to find out what is valuable to me by investigating within myself, or what is right for me and true for me has to be just within myself. Okay, if we talk about the content of self exploration, it involves finding answers for the following fundamental questions of the human being. First point is that the desire, goal, and aspiration. The desire, goal, or aspiration. Okay, we have discussed about the aspiration. Okay, in it, what is my desire, what is my goal, what do I really want in life, what is the goal of human life? Okay, once again, what is my desire, I mean what is human desire, what is human goal, what do I really want in life, or what is the goal of human life? Okay, second thing is that the program. Okay, the program, it means what is a program for fulfilling my aspirations. Okay, what is human program for fulfilling my aspirations, how to fulfill it, what is a program to actualize the above. In short, the above two questions cover the whole domain of human aspirations and human endeavor. Okay, thus they form the content of self exploration. Okay, these two things. Okay, these two questions, okay, cover the whole domain of human aspirations and human endeavor. Once again, desire, goal, aspiration. Okay, what is human desire, what is human goal, what do I really want in life, what is the goal of human life? Okay, next thing is that the program. Okay, what is my human program for fulfilling my aspirations, how to fulfill it, what is the program to actualize the above? Okay, so this is the content of self exploration. Okay, so we can also define in this way that self exploration is a process of discovering that there is something innate, invariant, and universal in all human beings. This enables us to look at the confusions and contradiction within us and resolve them by becoming aware of our natural acceptance. So this is all about basic aspirations, okay, including self exploration. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.